So this is the damage after the storm. I figured it'd be better if I put a video on so you guys can see what's actually happening. And even as I'm filming this, there's wind blowing. There's a strong one. As I'm walking, you can see the debris all through here. There's just debris everywhere. They're knocking on people's doors to see if everybody's okay. Crowbar here. Shutters, people's windows. And over here, there used to be a trampoline. As you can see, there's a broken down tree. And more than half of their fence is gone. There was a fence all the way around there, and now there's not. You can see there's more damage down the street. There's people down there too. But this is essentially